Hey, what's going on, guys? And for today, I will show you how you can get a refund for your Amazon package that was stolen. So, this is going to be very quick and straightforward. So, let's do this. So, first, let's open up your web browser. And from here, go to Amazon.com and log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, click on your account here. And from this menu, scroll down and go to customer service. So here you will be given different options. So you have a delivery or order or return, international shopping, payment, and so on. So what you want to do is go to something else. And from this one, let's click on this until you get to I need more help. So once you're here, you will have two options. Either you can chat with a representative or you can also request a phone call. Now, if you are comfortable chatting with a representative, you can click on Start Chatting Now, and this is going to load up a window and you can start chatting and describing to them what happened and why you believe your product was stolen. You also need to take note of the time of the delivery and the date, and also your order number. So if you prefer a phone call, you can also choose a phone call, and in the same way, you need to provide them with the details of your order, such as the time and date and also your order ID. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.